Listen to simply one song and you could earn $5 if it is 2 songs you will make about 10 greenbacks. Pay attention to 10 songs you get paid $50. Time and again all over again, and as you may see, as of right now I've already made about $900 on this platform. Simply imagine what it would revel in. Want to get paid to pay attention to song? Here is the way to do it. The primary difficulty you will need to do is to visit pixabay.com, and on their website I want you to find their song tab. In case you can't find out it, you may actually type in pixabay.com ahead reduce music. On this internet page you will see that they've royalty unfastened music tracks that are available for anybody to download and to experience listening. As you could see from the search field right here, you could clearly look for an artist or a music, a style or tune to listen to if you are in a show temper. In case you scroll down proper here, you may see that this net online has got some of these tracks that you can download onto any device. You may not should pay for those, and there are not any limits to the variety of songs you may freely download. We aren't going to be simply listening and downloading songs in this internet online. Truly, I'm going to show you an exciting trick that you can use on this internet web page online, and you may be capable of make profits like those once on a everyday foundation. Time and again right here is evidence that this method will provide you with the effects you want. This individual here without a doubt earned 11 doing this. This one here without a doubt had been given paid 37 these days. This one has made 25 nowadays. This one made 48. And the listing goes on and on of human beings which might be currently getting cash each single day using this technique virtually. Consider how tons cash you could make in preferred if you are getting everyday payments like these into your account. In case you are going to concentrate to at the least 50 to 100 songs every unmarried day, this method is pretty easy to comply with. Or even in case you are an amateur and you've got in no way made any money online, you will be able to do this. So ensure you've got your telephone equipped or your computer so you can follow alongside. However, earlier than we get began, ensure to join our channel for the modern being worthwhile 8 decibels 290 hints. And if you are excited about gaining knowledge of a way to make cash, the use of easy 8 decibels 290 B6 E1544 a Cafe Fabi 5 F58 Da 9 D83 techniques, hit the like button and activate notifications just so you may be notified whenever I positioned up a brand new video. Okay, so in this net web page there are literally hundreds and plenty of songs that you'll be seeing. We aren't going to certainly download any songs that we see right here. I am going to expose you some unique suggestions that are used and on the way to help you to make even extra cash. Permits circulate without delay to the left hand facet of this web page. We are going to find out some of these tracks listed underneath particular genres. We have got virtual upbeat beats, lovely performs alternative hip hop, vital identify tune, ambient, and plenty of other genres that will show right here. There can be genuinely masses of numerous songs that you can discover right here on Pixabay Music, and each of these songs may want to make you approximately $5 for each track again and again all over again. So what you're going to sincerely do is to return right here and then press this play button, and the song is going to start playing. You could pay attention to this music till the stop, and then if you find out which you like it, and if you anticipate different people might be able to enjoy it too, then you could bypass directly to the following step of this method. However, if you do not find it impossible to resist, and probable different people may not find it irresistible too, then in reality leave it and try to find other songs for this educational. Permit us to look for pop song inside the search bar. I am going to apply the situation due to the reality pop track may be very popular and it's far maximum possibly that you may be capable of fast make a few coins. The usage of this genre now, just like earlier, then allow us to click on this play button to pattern the song. I can in reality play a few seconds of the song proper here and see if it is a great pop music. If you inquire from me, I count on that as a cool track and I would revel in listening to it again and again over again. Subsequent click on the download button right here, after which download this tune onto your laptop. We Need to do that at least numerous times. Paying attention to those songs, choosing the ones that we suppose are high quality to listen to. On this platform you may use PayPal Pay, Internet Cash Perfect Cash Pay Sara ADV, coins, or you could pick out from any of these extraordinary charge strategies via the manner the minimal payout on those is clearly one greenback. This one is likewise a greenback. This one is likewise a greenback. In order, soon as you reach their minimal threshold you may withdraw any quantity you have got earned, but in case you scroll down right here you may see that they have got approximately 5 procedures that you should make coins from this internet site, and the one I just like the maximum is that this one here, in which we are able to promote those documents through my account with a rate that I get to set and I am getting to earn every time someone downloads my documents. Allow me log into my account in order that I'm able to show you how you may set this up. As you can see, that is my dashboard and I've already earned about